The Owen James Report is
brought to you by
JMMB.
It's easy at JMMB.
Your best interest at heart.
I believe I can be anything I want to be. I can succeed in this reality with JMMB. Growth and security, the right solutions for me, and all I need to know. It's easy at JMMB.
For a financial plan you can afford to live with, schedule your free no-obligation goal conversation and discover how the JMMB difference can work for you. Call 998-JMMB or text the word PLAN to 822-JMMB.
It's easy at JMMB.
Your best interest at heart.
Good evening. This is the Owen James Report. Barita Investments is in acquisition mode and is acquiring a US dollar denominated real estate portfolio as it continues to diversify out of repos. That was one of the major announcements Chairman Rita Humphreys-Lewin made at Barita's annual general meeting in Kingston yesterday.
Namely, a US denominated equity portfolio and a Jamaican dollar corporate real estate portfolio. In the US denominated equity portfolio, we are in the process of acquiring an existing portfolio along with the management of that portfolio. This portfolio consists primarily of United States securities listed on an exchange with a good history, and we intend to expand on this.
Under its multiple portfolio fund, the investment firm has launched a number of portfolios, including a US dollar denominated fixed income portfolio to satisfy investors' crave for US dollar indexed instruments.
So far, the demand for this is massive as the dollar continues to tumble. Please note that all portfolios are not restricted to repo clients. They are open to the public in general.
For the financial year ended September 30 last year, Barita's revenue amounted to $1.3 billion and net profit at $71 million. On the foreign exchange market, the benchmark American dollar weakened by 8 Jamaican cents to close at an average selling rate of $115.60. However, the Canadian dollar held firm at $92.62 Jamaican, whilst the British pound sterling weakened by 54 Jamaican cents to close at $177.48. News on the Jamaican stock market now, where gains by slower financial stocks triggered modest advances in the indices today. The main JC index advanced by 173 points, or 1/5%. 19 stocks traded, with 7 advancing, 7 declining, and 5 holding firm. The winners included Carreras, Dolphin Cove, JMMB, NCB, and Scotia Investments. The losers included Caribbean Cement, Lasco Financial Services, Proven Investments, and Scotia Group. Global oil prices trended lower today. The March contract in U.S. crude settled 82 cents lower at $50.34 a barrel, even as significant disruptions at 3 U.S. East Coast refineries sent the entire Northeast into a deep freeze. International benchmark Brent crude for April was flat at $60 after falling to a week low of $57.80 on Thursday. Now finally, in our business intelligence feature, small businesses in particular are advised to keep abreast of and conform to new tax-related measures which will impact on third-party payments in particular. You will be required to withdraw taxes from all such regular payments. Get an accountant who is familiar with the changes to assist you. Informality is out under the new regime. Formality is in. And that's the Owen James Report. Good evening.
The Owen James Report was brought to you by
JMMB.
It's easy at JMMB.
Your best interest at heart.